Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to perform bulk task reassignment on Asana. This is your complete guide for 2025. First up, open your Asana and navigate to the project with tasks you want to reassign. Now, why is this crucial? Well, Asana has a project-centric design, and this step helps you locate all the tasks you want to reassign in one place. Next, click on the multi-select icon located at the top of your task list. Start selecting the tasks you want to reassign. This helps us because, with this feature, we can choose multiple tasks at once, thereby saving time and promoting efficiency. Once you've selected all the tasks, a toolbar will appear. Click on the Assign To option. This is where we delegate responsibility. The reason we do this is to identify who will take ownership of the tasks. Now, a drop-down menu will appear with a list of team members. Select the team member to whom you want to assign the tasks. The beauty of this step is it allows task distribution among team members, ensuring a balanced workload. Finally, click Done. And voila, you've successfully reassigned tasks in bulk on Asana. Now that we've done that, let me explain why this matters. By using this bulk reassignment feature, you can quickly redistribute work, especially when team members are on leave or when there are changes in project dynamics. So, that's it for today's tutorial on how to perform bulk task reassignment on Asana. Remember, with this feature, you can streamline your project management efforts and keep your team on track. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.